It is June Dairy Month, and we found the perfect way to celebrate. Angie Edge is standing by in her kitchen with a great Dairy Month recipe. Hi, Ange.
Hi, Mark. Thanks for having me in celebrating National June Dairy Month. We're excited to be celebrating and really paying tribute to our hardworking dairy farm families that work hard 365 days a year so that we can have these delicious dairy products. So to celebrate, we have a upside down blueberry cake that also features a Wisconsin aged cheddar cheese and 4 different Wisconsin dairy products. So I'm just going to walk you through simply how to make this cake. The top layer has 4 cups of chopped rhubarb with some sugar, and then the base layer has traditional cake ingredients like sugar and flour and baking powder. But to make it extra rich and delicious, we're adding some Westby sour cream. We're also adding 1 1/2 sticks of Wisconsin butter. You get that nice rich taste of the butter. And then also, because cheddar cheese and fruit are such a nice flavor combination, there's 1 1/2 cups of aged Wisconsin sharp cheddar that's actually baked right into the cake. So absolutely delicious. You're going to bake the cake in the oven for about 50 minutes. And then, of course, you can serve all of your friends and family a piece of the rhubarb cake. And I highly recommend topping it with some real Wisconsin whipped cream to celebrate even more. And you can make your own whipped cream by buying some Wisconsin whipped cream in your grocery store. I found the Sassy Cow whipped cream that's made locally in Columbus, Wisconsin. You can mix it with your mixer and a little bit of powdered sugar. And again, you have this beautiful dessert to serve your family. So I hope everyone can celebrate June Dairy Month this month by visiting our website, wisconsincheese.com, to find this recipe and many more and ideas on how to buy Wisconsin dairy products online. Thank you.